Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UMRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done here. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, but not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first dynamic here is that this area of resistance up here at 270, which I talked about on Monday, it was definitely weakened up today. I mean, the price broke below it, got all the way up here, and spent quite a bit of time above that level. Unfortunately, though, the price could not do the most important thing, which is maintain the break, and back down it went. So yes, I would fully agree that 270, again, that red line there, is a weakened level of resistance, but weakened or not, it is still a level of resistance. So going forward, 270 remains that main level to watch. The good news is, as history is now showing us, that that level can be broken. I mean, big things can happen. I mean, it was broken there. Like I said, a big spike up above $3. Now that of course doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to spike up above if it's broken again. My point here is that this is at least demonstrated that the potential is there for some very quick movement. On the flip side of things, and nothing really new to report, $2 still remains that level of support. Now the good news here is that level didn't even get tested. I mean, it got somewhat, no, that's not even somewhat close. So I take back that. It didn't even get close today of being tested, which, is a good sign in and of itself when levels of support don't even really get tested. And that's what happened here today. So from that point and from the technical point going forward, 270 remains that level of resistance. And I would definitely say I believe it to be a weakened level of resistance. And the prior level that even got stronger as support down there at $2. And then from the overarching standpoint, from the support side of things, that is where that purple line continues to come into play, that 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so that line will move higher and higher as Wednesday plays out. But overall, disappointing day for those that maybe bought right there and wanted to buy and sell within 10 minutes. But for everybody else that cares about the big picture of things, overall the chart is perfectly healthy. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.